buddy.
Jason, see your car? See it?
Look, Jason.
He's just doing that.
Jason, look.
Brady put him on it.
Look at there. What is that? Maybe you can't see it because the sun's so bright.
Randy, show him how to make it run.
Come and put him on it. I think he's just a little scared. Look at your car. It works. Put your feet up on it.
He knows how to make it work. Push your button.
Put your feet up. Now push it. Mash it. Oh my goodness.
Look at there. What you got?
Where are you going? You gonna go see Daddy? Huh? Put your feet on it. Don't go in there. Don't go in there.
It's okay to go in the grass.
Whee! Have you been asleep? Is that why you're so stupid? Oh goodness! Can I play with it? Can I ride it? Can I ride it? Can I ride it? Put your feet up there. Put your feet up there.
He's trying to get that dandelion.
Put your feet up there. Look here. I'll get it for you. Look here, Jason.
Uh-oh, it went all in his mouth.